In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and deploy a new AI agent from scratch. This is a particularly exciting process, as you'll get to witness firsthand how artificial intelligence can be customized to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a developer looking to experiment or a business owner wanting to optimize certain processes, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's begin by heading over to the AI platform dashboard, where we'll click on the New AI Agent button. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for our project. By initiating a new AI agent, we're essentially creating a new instance that will perform tasks independently based on the instructions we provide. Once you've clicked through, you'll see a prompt asking you to input the task details that define the purpose of this AI agent. Here, clarity is key. Take a moment to thoughtfully consider what you want this agent to achieve. Providing a well-defined task enables the AI to process information efficiently and deliver better results. It could be anything from managing data to providing customer support. Make sure to articulate the task as clearly and concisely as possible to avoid any confusion during its operation. With your task details securely in place, the next step is to add AI processing nodes. Think of these as the building blocks or pathways through which your AI will process information and make decisions. You'll want to add nodes that align with your specific task. Each node plays a different role, perhaps filtering data, making computations, or communicating with other software. Spend some time exploring the available options and experiment with their settings to get a feel for how they can be configured to transform data effectively. This will give your AI agent a personalized touch and allow it to function precisely as you intend. At this stage, everything should be ready to go. Double check to ensure you haven't missed anything and everything is configured correctly. After all, it's always better to catch potential mistakes in the setup phase rather than troubleshooting later on. Once satisfied, go ahead and click on the Save button. Saving your setup not only preserves your configuration, but also prepares the AI agent for the next critical step, deployment. Finally, it's time to launch your AI agent. Consider this the moment when all your careful planning materializes into a fully operational software program. By clicking Launch, you're effectively setting the AI agent into motion, allowing it to start working on the tasks as you've outlined. Keep a close watch during this initial deployment to ensure everything runs smoothly, and take note of any adjustments you might need to make. And there you have it, a fully operational AI agent designed to carry out specified tasks efficiently and effectively. Remember, the key to creating a successful AI agent lies in careful planning and clear task definition. See you in the next video, where we delve deeper into optimizing AI performance.